Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I will make this hobo wigs in a big brown room pocket and two pen loop in the brown pocket too. So you can see here, I already sewing on this grab and go closure because the leather is very thin. So if I only sewing the grab and go closures on only one piece of leather here, and I think there will be just not stable to let you guys to slide your belt into here. So you can see the way I stitching it is through these two layers. Yes, and make it more sturdy and more stable to make it easy to slide the belt into the I don't know how to say it. Yeah, into the grab and go closure. Yes, and here is all the materials in the grab and go. So later I will start to sewing and just make it complete hobo with covers here. Okay, so let's make it now. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back. Yes, so beautiful. Yes, you can see the white paper with the pink lady, and it's just beautiful. Yes, you can see. Let you guys see the close to see it. And the back. Yes, and because the front big room pocket here has two pen rope in the front, so we can see here is one pen rope here. Yeah, because it's a new pocket, so it will be a little tight, but that's okay. And later I will just keep the pen into the pen loop for 2 days and just help the leather to lose its elasticity and just make the space more easy to let you slide your pen inside the pen loop. And the back is a big room here, and let's go inside. Yeah, it's a V pocket in the front and the regular two cast latch in the back, and we can just slide your notebook cover into the folio pockets here. Yes, and here too. Remember, because my hobo with cover is already a little bigger than other brands than other companies hobo with cover, so the cover is fit to makeup and fit to any size of the wigs. So if you guys are going to looking for the hobo wigs cover, and this is just very fit to fit your notebook on your hand now. So this is the hobo wigs with the V pocket and the grab and go closure, and with the big room front pocket and the two pen loop here. Okay, so it's very beautiful, and because the pink lady and the paper and the white paper, they are all thin layers, so when they combine together we can see the thickness just like this, not too thick. Yes, and not too thin, it's just in the perfect thickness, and also it's very light, not too heavy. Okay, so this is the video today, and wish you guys will love it. See you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.